do you eat first after a workout? Most athletes pay pretty good attention to what they eat before exercising, but afterwards it's almost as if anything goes. Proper recovery nutrition does more than just replenish your draining fuel supply. It also helps your body get ready for the next round of activity. So what you eat and when can make a big difference in your performance. Here are 3 things that you need to know about recovery nutrition. First, you need to replenish your fluids and your salts. Along with water, sweating causes you to lose important body salts like sodium and potassium, and you need to replace these. So to figure out how much you need, you can weigh yourself before and after exercise. For every pound that you lose through sweating, you need to replace it with about 2 to 3 cups of fluid. Water's fine because you'll be eating afterwards, which means that you'll be getting your carbohydrate, your sodium, and your potassium from the foods that you'll be eating. Many athletes turn to orange juice or chocolate milk because they provide fluid, carbohydrates, and potassium. Sports drinks are great because they give you fluid and carbohydrate, and they have the right balance of salts that have been lost through perspiration. Their mildly sweet taste also encourages you to drink more. The second thing is that your body's burned up a lot of carbohydrate. It's the primary fuel for your muscles, so it's really important to refuel as soon as you can. Ideally, you should refuel within 30 minutes of activity. Your muscles are really hungry for carbohydrate. They're ready to take it up and to stockpile it for your next bout of activity. The best carbohydrates to take in, fruits, whole grains, and the natural carbohydrates that you get from dairy products. All of those would be a great start to your post-workout snacking. Finally, a bit of protein is really important for your recovery too. Protein helps to stimulate muscle repair and growth after a workout. So your ideal meal or snack combination is going to include some healthy carbohydrate and also a little bit of protein. This is why you'll often see athletes turning to foods like a whole grain bagel with some almond butter, a bowl of cereal with some milk and fruit, maybe some yogurt and fruit, or a smoothie after a workout. Keep in mind, though, that refueling is geared primarily for those who are doing extended, strenuous bouts of exercise. If your usual activity is a daily walk or a brief swim, then your regular meals and snacks are probably going to meet your nutritional needs just fine if your diet's healthy and well-balanced, but do stay on top of your fluid needs. But if you're going the distance, eating afterwards is just as important as what you eat before you exercise. Not only are you helping your body recover from a bout of exercise, you're also helping your body to prepare for the next one.